All right, ladies and gentlemen, in today's video, I'm going to show you an unbelievable Shopify store that is doing $10 million per month without running a single ad on Meta. This is shocking, right? I mean, Shopify stores tend to run a lot of Meta ads. In fact, some of the biggest ones in the world, ones that are doing even more than 10 million a month, run a ridiculous amount of Meta ads. But this store is a perfect example of how you can build a community and build a movement that can end up making 10 million a month without you running any ads. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The store is called Elgato. You may have heard of this if you're into gaming culture, or if you're a streamer, or if you're a content creator of any kind. This store, what they do is they create webcams and technology to enable people to create videos and stream and whatnot. I actually just recently bought one of their products, this Cam Link, so that I can stream with you guys. And, you know, the thing about this store that I find so fascinating is that they quite literally are doing 10 million a month, as you see here. But I could not find a single Meta ad for them anywhere. So let me show you all of the ways that they're marketing their business. So first off, they have a Discord server called the Elgato Discord server with 36,000 members. Then they have a Reddit with over 20,000 members and ranked in the top 5% of subreddits. Then they have their Twitter account with over 1.2 million followers. This is actually the main meat of their social media. They're getting a ton of engagement. As you see here, you know, their posts are regularly reaching 50,000 people, 70,000 people, you know, just getting a lot of organic reach. Then they have their YouTube channel. So they also have a YouTube channel where they're posting not super consistently, but they have a lot of subscribers. So my guess is that they are running YouTube ads, since a large majority of their audience is on YouTube. However, I do think not running Meta ads is a little bit of a missing opportunity, considering that Meta does have a gaming program and Meta does have a ton of creators on the platform. So that would be pretty cool. I would love to be able to work with them with my company, Akemi. We run Meta ads. We're very lean and fairly priced, and we do an amazing job. But this is extremely inspiring to me. And I mean, this is the ideal, right? A lot of you guys watching this channel, you don't have a ton of money to dump into ads, right? And that's fine. You actually don't need a ton of money to get profitable results. But this, in my opinion, is the best approach to just literally try to build a community. Now, I wouldn't go this far and literally be building a community everywhere. But for example, TikTok and YouTube, or TikTok and Twitter, with just those two, or TikTok and Meta, let's say, you could build a massive, massive community. Now, let's see what a brand of this size creates when it comes to TikTok. So let's check it out here. Unfortunately, this has a copyrighted song, so let's just watch it like this. So new Discord Stream Deck plugin update. Specific user volume control. Wait, I need one of these. Soundboard integration. So they're just literally showcasing their product. This is such a brilliant example of how powerful short form content can be these days. This has 90,000 views organically, right? So no ad spend. And it's just showing the product with literally a TikTok font. I mean, the quality of the video is quite high, but I could see this being just an iPhone clip. And yeah, it's just showing the product. So sometimes it's literally that simple. Just show your product on TikTok over and over again in a really nice setting, and obviously try to showcase the features that people would actually care about, you know, so they really understand their target demographic, you know, streamers, content creators, and that's why all of their content is really geared towards that. So let's see this one. Turn your iPhone into a webcam with Epoch Cam. Wait, this is actually super cool. So this is for people that want to stream. Wow, this is a very, very nice product right here. And super nice ad. I mean, this is so eye-catching. I'm actually so sad that they don't run Meta ads. This would hit on Meta. Like, this would do so well on the Meta ads platform. So that's Instagram and Facebook. This is real nice. I mean, what a great video, just showcasing the product with some good emojis. This one has 150,000 views right here. And it's kind of the same thing. They've found this really good format that they're just replicating over and over again. And it seems like this is the guy that's running their TikTok account. So that's another thing. Hiring TikTok creators is a great idea. That's a very good playbook to hire TikTok creators to create content for you. Hope that some of it goes viral and then utilize that content for your meta ads to really scale it through the roof and take things to the next level. But as you see, they are very consistent at posting here, but some of their things have not always performed well. So hopefully this gives you some motivation to keep posting content. I think that's the highest leverage activity you can do for a business, especially if you don't have money for ads, is just post content about your business, about your brand, whether it's a dropshipping store, whether it's a full-on e-commerce brand, a software company, whatever it is, start posting content about it. And I guarantee you will find some customers or some people interested in the product that you can then talk to and build a community with. And before you know it, you'll start growing your business. So commit to start posting content about your products, whatever it is you're selling. And I guarantee you'll see some success at some point if you don't give up. So that's really about it for this brand. There's just not too much more I can say about it besides the partnerships. That's kind of the playbook that they're following. Of course, as you see, even though they don't spend money on ads, they do spend a ton of money, I'm sure, on partnerships for YouTube with other creators. I mean, literally any streamer would want to partner with them. And, that's where the streaming community, I think, is a brilliant niche, right? Or YouTube as well, just content creators as a whole. Just because, think about it, it's kind of the number one job right now that people want these days is to be a YouTuber. And having products that support that vision or that dream that people have is so brilliant. So tapping into the content creator niche, definitely a good idea if you're thinking of a business to start. That's kind of a very hard thing to do, is come up with a great idea. But there's a ton of products in this category that not only are already seeing success, so you can ride that momentum, but that could actually help a lot of people out, and you could build a cool business around, especially if you're a streamer or if you know a lot about this niche. Then the pain points, what people want to see, you probably know the memes, the culture, and those are all the things that you most likely need in order to thrive. Now, of course, you got strong competition, but I'll say this, for some of our brands that we run, or even some of the client brands that we run that do 8 figures, the competition is very rampant. But what that means sometimes is that there's just a lot of demand. And demand is a good thing, right? You want there to be demand for your products. You don't always want to create the demand. That's a big thing that I've been emphasizing lately, because even though it's really cool to be innovative and create demand, I find it very inspiring, of course. That takes a lot of resources, a lot of effort, a lot of time, and that's fine. But if you're just getting started in business, it may be better to just capitalize on the demand. Don't overthink it, keep it simple, and just start running some ads, start running some content up for your products and see where it takes you. But that's about it for this one. Check out some of the links in the description. Start your Shopify store today with that link, that free link, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.